What's good, Hood Rich fan, man? It's your boy Hood Rich Credit back at again with another video, man. Look, y'all, today we got a very special video for y'all. Today basically I'm gonna be breaking down two type of credit card institutions that you always want to avoid, right? If you're trying to rebuild credit again. So like, let's say y'all in a fucked up situation, y'all fucked up y'all credit, right? And y'all want to rebuild again, man. So I'm gonna give y'all two alternatives, two better options instead of going for these type of credit cards, man, to rebuild your credit, because it can get very expensive with what I'm about to show y'all. So let's get right into it, man. No more wasting time. First of all, we got Credit One, right? A lot of y'all with Credit One, y'all get these offers with Credit One saying, oh, you get pre-approved for a $1,500 credit line, right? They send you in the mail and shit, and you accept it because this is the only like credit card that you're offered. Like, nobody want to give you credit, right? So Credit One will give you a chance. The only thing is it's gonna get very expensive. Like I said, man, look, let's learn more so y'all can see, man. And also too, another thing, Credit One, like you never want to have a Credit One card because you're not really gonna get high limits with Credit One, right? And then also too, when you try to apply for, let's say, high limits with another institution, when they check your credit report and they see that you got a Credit One credit card, it says a lot about your reputation. You get what I'm saying? They know that you probably had bad credit in the past or whatever. You get what I'm saying? Because Credit One targets people with bad credit. That's what they have to do, right? So that's why they have these high fees and all that shit for people with bad credit. That's the only way they'll lend to you. But let me see the fees real quick. Look, annual fee $95, and the most they'll approve you for that I've seen is $1,000 or some shit like that. If you pay an annual fee of $95, like, come on, bro, y'all gotta think with y'all head. So Credit One, first of all, high fees and all that shit, right? They have a lot of fees out the ass, hidden fees, all that. Let me see the fees and conditions. Hold on. Look at the APR, 24%. All right. Annual fee $95, cash advance $10 or 5% of the amount, whatever, fuck that. You got foreign transaction fees, late payment fees, return payment fees. Look, minimum credit line 500. Let me see. Annual fee. Alright, y'all get the point. Don't get a Credit One credit card, man. It's shit. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, man. Credit One only targets people with bad credit, high fees, high APR. That's about it. And the limits are not gonna be that high. And also too, it's gonna say a lot about what type of borrower you are. Borrower. There you go. I can't talk with these braces, man. But borrower. It's gonna say a lot of like what type of borrower. God damn. But yeah, it says a lot about your reputation if you got a Credit One reporting on your, credit report. They already know you had bad credit in the past. Okay, next one I'm about to show y'all is even more worse, man. This is like the worst credit card I've ever seen, man. What the fuck? Hold on, let me show y'all what I'm talking about. So we got Premier Bank. Where the credit cards at, man? Hold on, y'all. Let me compare the cards. There you go. Trash ass card, man. Y'all never wanna have these cards in your wallet, man, or never want to accept these credit cards, man, because the fees are out the fucking ass. Y'all gonna see right now what I'm talking about. Look. 36% APR, man. What the fuck? I'm telling y'all, bro, this shit is trash. And look, y'all. Listen to this. If your credit limit is 200, program fee, one-time fee, just for opening the card, they charge you $95. Okay? Annual fee, first year is $50. After that, $45 annually. Hold on. We're not even done yet. They got a monthly fee. Monthly fee will be none for the first year, right? Like that shit is gonna make anything better, right? After that, $75 annually. So you'll get charged $6.25 per month. Let's say you're not even using the card, you still gonna get charged. What the fuck, man? And then initial available credit will be, oh, that's for the cash advance. All right, let me see. What's the highest they got? $700, bro. Like $700. Like what? This shit is like tripped out, man. I swear to God, y'all gotta stay away from these type of credit cards. I'm telling y'all, they target people with bad credit. Okay, so y'all already saw the proof in the pudding, man. These shits are trash as fuck. This one particularly, this shit is ass, man. First Premier Bank. Stay away from these type of credit cards. If you get an offer, you know, in the mail with these credit cards, man, rip the shit up. All right, man. So I'm about to give y'all two, you know, better options of what y'all want to do. You know, if y'all want to rebuild y'all credit, don't go for a credit card, man. What I recommend y'all to do instead is get installment loan reporting on your credit. Right, this is how you rebuild a secured loan, installment loan. So first up, we got, you know, a lot of y'all know this, self lender. We got self lender is, you know, a very good option. The good thing about self lender is, look, so first of all, you got no hard pull to your credit report, right? So think about it, right? If you apply for a Credit One credit card, right, or a First Premier Bank, you already got a hard pull for accepting the offer, right? Or for applying for the card, you got a hard pull on your credit report. But with self lender, no hard pull, first of all. Okay. What else? Reports to all three bureaus. Okay. And also, too, these are the payment plans. So the thing about self lender is, because I have it myself, I went for the $35 a month when I first started my credit journey. And so basically what you do is you pay $35 every month, and until you reach the amount of money you want to complete. You get what I'm saying? So for example, total payments $840, right? Until you reach $840, then they give you back the money, right? So you get back $724, and the final cost for them reporting all that shit to your credit report is $125 with my plan. But you could go with other plans, man. Yeah, you could do that, right? And also too, what else they got here? No credit history. Self credit builder account helps you build credit history with 3 of the leading credit bureaus. Okay. Yeah, so this is perfect to rebuild credit, right? And most likely, like, you're gonna get approved, obviously, because you're putting up the bread. And also too, I'm about to give y'all an even better option if y'all have access to Navy Fed. I always tell y'all this on my TikTok videos. Check out Navy Fed's pledge loan, the secured loan with Navy Fed. All you got to do is, if you a member with Navy Fed, if you eligible, you know, to become a member with them, all you got to do is call them up. And also too, I give y'all the backdoor method. So if you're not eligible, just follow my backdoor method. But the whole play is, you want to call them up. So you want to call Navy Fed up and say, hey, look, I want to open up a pledge loan with you guys. And then what I went with was $250. That's like the minimum for the pledge loan. So let's say you want to do the $250, right? What a pledge loan is, so they're gonna pull that $250 off your savings account with them, and you gotta sign a promissory note or some shit like that. I forgot. And then they return the $250 back to your account. Once they return that $250 back to your account, you wait for the account to pop up on your app, for your mobile app for Navy Fed, and it's gonna say pledge loan, right? It's gonna say pledge loan $250. So they already reported it, type shit. You get what I'm saying? So you want to pay down, I think it's 90% of that pledge loan, because remember, they return that $250 back into your savings account. This might sound a little confusing, right? But you basically using your own money, if y'all get what I'm saying. So that $250, they're gonna return it back into your savings, and then the account is gonna be there reported with like a $250. You get what I'm saying? So what you want to do is, what I did, I paid $190 off right off the bat. I paid $190 right off the bat. And they returned that $190 back to my savings, right? So what do you do here? Oh, okay. So that 190, they returned it back into my savings. Like I think it's like a day later, I don't remember, like a couple hours later, they returned that 190. So I paid down a good amount of that, pledge loan. So when it reports to the credit bureaus, my debt to income ratio is not that high, right? So my, credit score won't go down as much, right? And also too, now you want to set up auto pay, right? You want to set up auto pay because let's say you got the pledge loan for 6 months, right? You got the pledge loan for 6 months, so you want 6 months of positive payment history to report on your credit report. So since it's $250 and you paid down $190 already, you want to put auto pay for $60, right? But you want to put $10 every month. You get what I'm saying, on auto pay, so it could still, report them 6 months on your credit report. If y'all get what I'm saying, it is kind of a little difficult to explain. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I'm, talking off the dome, but I might go into like a video in depth, like explaining everything and like showing y'all how to do it. But yeah, that's basically the pledge loan. It's kind of similar to self-lender, right? Secured loan. And like I said, the reason why you want to go with these, options better is because it's gonna be way cheaper, right? You're using your own money, and you're not paying no goddamn annual fees like these motherfuckers charging you. And also too, you're not getting a hard inquiry on your credit report. That's the first thing, because both of these are soft, like they're soft pulls on your credit report, right? And yeah, a lot of y'all don't even have installment loans on your credit report. Every time I have clients and I check their credit report, the only thing they have is, credit cards on their account. You always want to have a mix of credit, right? If you have revolving credit cards, right? If you have an installment loan, you got 2 installment loans. Let's say you got an auto loan, right? That's a mix of credit, right? So to these lenders, you look more credible to somebody if they have on their credit report just a credit card. It's like they're not really strong like you is. You get what I'm saying? So yeah, so basically that's the end of the video, man. I just wanted to show y'all 2 better options if y'all want to rebuild credit, man. Don't go with credit cards, just go with a secured loan. It's gonna be way cheaper and more convenient for y'all, man. So yeah, man, hopefully y'all enjoyed this video, man. Y'all let me know down in the comments what y'all want to see. Let me know some video ideas and I'll do a video on it. So yeah, hopefully y'all enjoyed this shit. Hood Rich Credit, and I'm gone.